Hang on, I think I got a fish. Oh, fish on, fish on. Let's go, finally. Oh, hang on, I think I got a fish. Oh, fish on, fish on. Let's go, finally. Oh, I am recording, you monkey. Fish on, let's go. First fish of the year. Oh, let's go. Come on, up here.
That has to be a 10-5 pounder right there. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That's a keeper and a half.
Let's go. Yeah, first fish of the year and first fish on the channel. Finally. Oh my God, I knew this pond would deliver.
I was.
Oh, that's a nice bass. Yeah, holy crap. All right, that's the first bass of the day. Not the biggest fish on the world, but it's the first bass of the day and the year. Oh my God, finally, man. Oh, alrighty, let's get a good release on them. Nice bass. First bass of the year. First bass. Hang on. Fish on! Oh, let's go! Second one of the day. Yes! That's the second one of the day. Oh my God. Oh, that's pulling drag. No! Shut up! Oh, come on, man. Oh, that's what happened. My hook. Oh, man. Hey, well, let's see if I can get more. Fish on. It's huge. I wasn't able to get the hook set on film. Oh my God, that thing's huge. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my. Okay, let's go, let's go. He inhaled that thing. There's no way he's getting off this thing. Oh my God. Oh, oh my God. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, that's like a 3-pounder. It is.
That is not. That's a 1-pounder.
Ow. Whoa! Let's go! Oh my God! I saw these bass like blowing up over there. Oh my God! Next cast after we lost that other one. Oh my! Let's see if we can get that hook out. Oh my God, man! Oh my! Look at the sheer size of that thing. That's a huge one. Not like the biggest fish in the world. But oh, that feels so good.
Is that a mouth reveal?
That's a bucket mouth, man. That feels so good after I just lost that one. All right, let's get a release on that guy. Oh, right. We just landed this monster. Let's get the release on this dude right here. Oh, that's such a nice bass right there. All right, let's get back out there. We got a big one, another one. Oh my God, this thing's huge. Oh my God, right after I said I didn't have one. Yeah, oh my God. Dude, Flappy Tail slaying it out here. Oh, get on the boat. Yeah. Oh, ow, oh, that hurt my fingy. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, that's the third fish. Let's go. Next cast out, I was just preparing my GoPro and stuff like that. Another one. Oh my God, I'm slaying them. Yeah, right there. Oh, let's go, man. Oh, there you go, bud. Oh man, get that nice oxygen in your face. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Fish on. Yeah. Oh my God, let's go. Another one for the bookies. Oh my. It's a crappie. I think it's a crappie. Oh no, it's just a little bass. Yeah. Oh. Fourth one of the day. Oh damn, he inhaled that thing. All right. That's not the big, it's like really small, but it's a bass. That's number 4. So see ya, dude. Alrighty, let's get on with the day. right, that was it for today. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. And yeah, we slayed them out here today, so I'm gonna call it. So see you guys.